Alright, hi guys, I'm here to do a review on a binded all product that I got. I wanted the one that is the cinch, but I decided to try this Zutter binded all because price wise it was cheaper. But also just want to see, I will eventually get a cinch. It's essentially the same machine, just you are, I think the cinch is just more current. But I'm going to open it up and show you what is still in the package. I just got it for the holidays and I'm just now getting to opening it. So we're going to see what we got. Now the reason also that I got this Zutter binded all is because I previously purchased these wire packs. It's basically 6 wires in a pack, and I knew that I wanted to get the product, and I found these basically at a thrift store that's specifically art stuff, and I was like, okay, well, let's just get it. It was very, very, very inexpensive, and I had, knew that I wanted to get the machine, so might as well start collecting all the pieces. So that I did do, and then I'll show you my covers. So I've also got my covers done for this binded project, and now I'm working on the pages. I've been working on the pages for quite a while as well, but it's a process, because you got to really think everything through. I want something cute. I also want something that people will like, and my first person to try it on is going to be my mom. So it's going to be kind of a gift because she asked for one. So she usually likes to get the first of everything that I do that's crafty, like if it's cute, and she's the first one to try it out. So I will show you the binded all stuff in the package, as well as show you the covers that I have that'll be part of the project. So I want to make 100 either journals or calendars. I'm thinking calendars because people do a lot more with calendars. I myself do have the me and my big ideas. I do have this, and it has been great to me. One, because you have this part of the calendar where you can write in the dates and stuff. I hate that, I like to be able to make the space in the calendar, so I pretty much draw in, it leaves it open to where you can put in what you want, like if you want to use the whole space or not, the whole from top to bottom kind of thing, which is what I like. So you can use all this on one of these. I usually create my 30 days in one calendar, and then use the other pages for notes and whatever else that I have to do. So I usually do a lot within my calendar. I put a lot of stuff in it. I'm trying to find one that I decorated all nice and pretty. Now a lot of people do the whole bullet journal, like real serious, like that, dead on, like they're really focused on creating this pretty. This is my favorite one. December, my favorite month. It's my birthday month, so that would be part of the reason. So and I use stickers from another artist who is has one of those packs of stickers that you can use. It's a new artist, so I'm not very familiar with the name. I have to get the name. I also use my own stickers, my own drawings, everything that I'm creating and making, which makes it even more fun when you are putting together things. You got to make it very personalized. You can do so many things. You're not locked into it. And this planner, sticker, DIY, crafty gal stuff is huge. Like everybody and their mama and grandma is involved in this stuff. Like it's not just for anybody. And guys do it too. I was really shocked to find that out. But this is one of the little. Her name is Dan Reveley. I'm probably saying that. I'm saying that all kind of wrong. Dan Reveley. But this is the little sticker pack. I don't know if you guys can see that. And it's got a bunch of little funkies on it. I use it. I think it's fun. Definitely want to create one of my own of these. Gives you the back for all. And this was kind of a lucky find. I hadn't seen anything like that before. I've actually been just collecting little things, ones that you can color. I've got all kinds of stuff for this. And here's another one. This one is I think this is part of the me and my big ideas. I'm not sure, but maybe it's kind of got that idea on it, just at least the packaging. But anyhow, so be looking for my own sticker packs, stamps, all that good jazz, cards. Since I do all of that pretty much anyway, why not create it for the masses? All right, let's get into just opening up my. So these are the wires. let's see. I think I'm gonna have to get some more supplies, but we'll figure out. These look pretty simple. I actually bought another box of these wires without realizing. I bought like a box of, I want to say 50, maybe 75, a whole bunch, but it was like cheap, very, very, very inexpensive. I think I paid more for these few than I did the box, but at the same place. So somebody gave up a valuable thing that they really weren't realizing. All right, we're getting into my bonded. So here's the box. So I didn't get a free one. That's my only thing. I only had one that I bought it from. I bought it off Amazon, which I haven't purchased off Amazon in a long time. So this was a comeback party. Here's the looks like a CD to kind of tell you what's up on there. Alright. Uh-oh. Okay, here's mine. They always add a whole bunch of, I know it's padding and stuff, but it's always a lot of stuff, you know, in these boxes. Oh, look at this so cute example. Oh, it's actually the instructions. Now this is cute. I don't know if you can see that. This is, I guess it's a good example of what we can do with it. Okay. And then here must be the size of the rings. And then this came up with something. I'll figure out. Okay, already losing. This is very compact. Oh, alright, so here's my handy dandy little machine here. It's very little and compact. I was expecting it to be a little bigger. So I'm just opening up the little package that they put in with it that shows. Looks like, yeah, the ring size. So I guess you get different size of your rings when creating your little journal book. I'm pretty sure there's lots of people who have done this, but this is my first time. So this is what I use to create the laminated covers. So it's a laminated, but it's just one for a larger size, like letter size paper. This sucker is huge too. Well, I got this because of the idea of doing the, I just want to show you it. So it's cute. It's basically, you know, simple, fits on your table, it doesn't take up too much space. And I will pretty much keep it in the box until it's necessary for me to just leave it out, which means I'll be doing a lot more projects with it. So now let's show you those covers. I showed you, and then next time I will hope to have finished some projects. This will be very, very, very exciting. I try to be organized with this and showing you. So I also did laminating of stickers. So there's some people that I watched on YouTube that laminated the sticker sheets before they cut them, and I just wanted to. So here's just a showing, if you can see that it's laminated. So I'm gonna cut it out, or cut it, not cut it out, to show you how well that works. So the one part of this that I need to think about and have a very good idea about is the back of it. So the front of it can have, say, you know, a cover like this, but I need to have a back cover, and I also need to make sure that it's heavy enough or thick enough that when you're using it and opening it, that it will be good. It won't be too flimsy of the cover, or again, closing and back. I don't know why I can't think of that. Back of the journal or the calendar. Now, most people create calendars or want them to be ready before January, and which is probably a good plan, But if you don't, so I'll have a calendar in it, a yearly calendar in it. But again, the idea is that you put in your own dates, your own time, your own way of setting up calendar. Because sometimes people set it up like a bullet journal, and sometimes people just set it up day by day, or week by week, or month by month. And I want people to have the option of doing it the way they want to do it, and that's the idea of this calendar slash journal for people. So, and then I'm just showing a few of the covers that I've created to give people. It's definitely artsy, fun, funky, fashion, just different stuff you won't find anywhere else. Now this one is pretty sturdy, so I'm going to think of this type of thickness. I think the thickness of paper is going to be very, very, very important. But I also like this. Alright, so next time I hope to have one of these, or a few of these completed, and what I'll do definitely is make the one for my mom. That will be my tester to see how well I will do with this. To see how easy it is and how long it takes me to do it. I don't know if I showed that one. Hopefully it's not intense, but it's possible that it could be, so I can't do it on camera because I don't want you to see. Unless it's easy. If it's easy, then I will make a video showing how easy it is. But I need to play with it first. So, but I'm assuming I did watch a video on somebody doing it, so it should. I'm not gonna expect the worst. I'm gonna stay positive. Oh, here's a couple more covers that will be available. So this should be fun. I just want to have fun. That's the idea. And then, you know, when you have an idea, you got to get it out. That's definitely where I need to do with this. I have to get it out, see what it looks like, get the idea out, and then just look forward to the next video. Now, I'm not as fast as getting these out as some of these other YouTube ladies. They actually are pretty good and do this on the regular. I myself am trying to find my feet, trying to find the feelers of what works for me. Doing a whole bunch of different things. But this right here is fun. So I'll have a subject of what I like to do, which I also have some artwork that I'll be working on my iPad with the Procreate. That'll also be another video coming. So I'm gonna just go steady, keep it going, and hope to be quicker with these and also have subjects that people like. So that's the other thing. I know, a lot of people, my own issue is not being boring, being fun, and just giving you a sneak preview of things I like to do and being my own different, self. I know other people are doing these videos as well. Other people are creating and giving you sneak previews into how to create and do different things. So there's a lot of people out there. So I definitely want to be different, but I'm an artist. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm somebody who creates different things. So hopefully I'm not the same. Hopefully you'll be able to see my own uniqueness and enjoy what I bring to you. And I think that'll conclude what we have got going on today. I did also want to give a sneak preview of my my little covering here. I got this background that I used on the wall, but I took it off the wall and put it on my tabletop because I didn't like how my tabletop looked. But alright, we'll see what happens, and hope everybody is having a great one. The new year is here. I'm happy. And new things on the horizon, a whole bunch of new things. So we'll make this fun, interesting, fantastic, and we'll see you soon. We will see you soon. I think it's better when people are a little silly, just a little bit.